Hey guys, our newest box from the Universal Yum Snack Box subscription just came in, and I'm going to share with you guys what's inside. Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you about my new curriculum. It's Hero as a Character, and it is a character-based curriculum that you can use during morning time, tea time, or bedtime. It seamlessly blends science, nature studies, heroes, history, and character traits and skills that you want your kids to learn. So if you haven't had a chance to check it out, head over to my website. It's downhomewithlemonpie.com and check it out for yourself. Okay guys, welcome back. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and like our videos. My name is Laura Wilkie. I am a Christian stay-at-home homeschool mom of 6 kids. They are all 10 and under. I have a set of twins thrown in there, and we are just a fun homeschool family. We love learning when we can do things that are hands-on, and one of the reasons that we really wanted to start our subscription box to Universal Yums is because this year, this school year, we are working on My Father's World, Exploring Countries and Cultures. That's our curriculum. And so we are learning about around the world, about all the different countries, and that is why we started subscribing to this. It cost us about $16. I have a link in the description of this video if you also want to sign up. But I want to share with you because this is actually something that I wasn't really sure at first if I wanted to subscribe to this, because I can't choose which country we're going to get. And I was kind of upset about that because I really wanted to pair it with our curriculum. And like when we're studying China, I wanted a box from China. And when we're studying Brazil, I wanted a box from Brazil. But that is not the way their program is set up. And it just comes as it comes. So each month you get a new box from a different country, but you don't get to select the country. I thought that was really gonna bother me. But the thing that I like about this box versus some others that do snacks in a similar manner from other countries is that you get some cool stuff so you can actually make it a new learning tool. So right away inside, you get the little card with the map. It's kind of bent because it was folded up in here. There you go. You get your card with the map, and all around it, it has all kinds of fun facts that you can share with your family and your kiddos. It tells you these are the different cities, the major ones, and it tells you the surrounding countries, and then it has little tidbits. On the back there, you've got your scorecard, so you can rate what your family thinks of the snacks, how they like them. There's your ratings there at the bottom. And then there's some information there about other snacks that you can actually go to their website if you really liked it and order more of that particular one. So, but that's not the reason we preferred this box over others. It was actually because of this right here. And this is a little booklet. It comes with every single box that you get. And you get this little booklet, and it's always laid out the same way. So it has some information here about the country. This month is Germany, which we were super excited about because my husband lived in Germany during part of his childhood, so that was a super, super fun one for us. We were hoping that this one would get selected. On the card, you get to choose like what you want. There, let's see. This one doesn't have it. No, this one doesn't have it. Usually it has a spot on here where you can choose. It says like, out of these 3, which one would you like to see next? And anyways, Germany, this is the first time that the one that we selected, which was Germany, was actually the box that came. So that was exciting for us. On the second page here, it's got some quick information there, some language things here, and then it always has a recipe. Okay, so cool. You could totally make this a whole night, which is what we do in our home. We make whatever the dinner is, and then usually there's a dessert or a fun drink at the very back of this booklet. You have the trivia train, which is there every time, and it has all the different little questions and then the answers down here, so you can play fun trivia games with your family, which we always do. I don't usually do all 8 because we run out of our attention span. We're so excited to get to the snacks. So then it has the snacks. Each snack has a little description of that snack, why it was included or why it is, how it's related to that country or whatever. So that's fun. It has that for everyone. Nutrition facts. And then here it's got like a little wordplay game, and This is usually where you would find the other recipe. Oh, here it is on this other side. See, they always have 2 recipes. And this time it's a drink. Like I said, it's usually a dessert or a drink. And so there you go. You've got a fun drink you can make. It says alcohol's optional, so we will definitely be leaving that part out. And then just some more fun stuff about Germany. Love that, because we can take our normal lessons and just do like a quick one night splurge lesson on one country, and just adds into our schooling. So let's see what's inside. Okay guys, the first thing we have these are actually ketchup chips. We got these before in another box. I think it was our Canada box maybe. So good. So when I saw these were included, I was so excited, because I haven't seen these at our local stores yet, and I would really like to see them. Okay guys, the second one we got here is Weebles. It looks like it's kind of like an onion ring like we have here, but it's got pictures of celery and, is that celery? It looks like celery. And onion, I don't know. They're on the front. So another fun chip. I'm sure we're gonna love both of these. We have, like I said, the ketchup chips and more like onion rings, I guess, but the German version. They started doing this recently. They give you a giant sticker, so that's fun. If you want to collect those like on a poster, that would be a really fun thing to do. And then we have, this is a sunrise chocolate, crunchy chocolate with puffed rice. It's milk and cereal, it says. Little candy bar. That's going to probably be really tasty. I think we'll like that. What's funny about these boxes is often the things that I think we're going to love, we sometimes don't. And the things that I'm thinking, that's weird, we always like. So, and then sometimes the stuff that we think is weird, we're exactly right. It is weird. So, this one is so big. Look at that, guys. This says almond cinnamon cream-filled wafers. If you've seen my other videos, you know it's kind of a running joke that they keep sending us wafers. And you know, it's funny because in our home we're like, do they eat wafers like constantly in every other country? Because we don't eat them that much here, but it seems like they're really popular everywhere else. So anyways, there's that. And real quick, I'll tell you, because when we do these, we have 8 people in our family, but the twins don't participate because they're only 2. So we usually do this after we put them down for bed. So there's 6 of us, and we have not, this is the smallest box option. There's actually bigger boxes. I think there's 3 levels, but we have not had a problem with just setting up kind of like a tasting plate of these snacks. And so everybody gets a small portion of each snack, and for 6 people. So we've been using this smallest box option and dividing it by 6 people without a problem. So, because we do it more like a tasting, not like a something to fill like a meal, right? Like fill us up. So anyways, there you go. Okay, the next one we have is white chocolate bar, but it is strawberry rhubarb flavor, and it says crumble. I love strawberry rhubarb, like seriously, I love that so much. White chocolate, not so much, but I'm excited to see how it tastes all together. I'm also not a big fan for chocolate on my fruit, but I know the kids will love that. Okay, this one, oh my goodness. This is like the biggest word. It's, okay, marzipan, I got that part. And then it says, in farts bitters chocolate. Like, no joke, that's what it says, guys. Okay, anyways, it's some sort of chocolate candy with marzipan inside. It says dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate, so that is so exciting for me. Yeah, I haven't seen it chocolate wrapped up like that, so that's kind of fun too. Okay guys, so if you want to subscribe and do this activity with your own family, the box comes once a month. We pay about $16. It just deducts automatically. Like I said, we have the smallest option. There are bigger ones if you would like to have more snacks. But anyways, we pay about $16. Go below in the description of this video, click the link, and you guys can sign up too. Thanks for watching.